Hello everyone! Right, had to show you this one. Everyone's been wanting to see this one. I don't know why, I can't think of anything more disgusting. Me cleaning the toilet to the motorhome for the first time. I will warn you now, you're not going to see anything, don't worry. But if you're eating your tea, you might not want to watch me cleaning a toilet out. It's entirely up to you. I personally wouldn't. Anyway, here's what happened when I emptied the toilet for the first time. Are you filming me?
No.
Maz is filming me because I'm emptying the toilet for the first time ever. Now, I've been shown how to do this by a man who did it for us the other night. I'll tell you that story in a bit, but I just want to get this bit out of the way. So what's happened is we pulled into the campsite. It's a lovely campsite. It's called Thetford Forest Campsite, I think. And went into the office and I explained this is the first time we've ever done motorhoming. This is the first place we've ever driven to. No idea what we're doing. So the man says, I'll tell you what, come round to the service area and I'll show you exactly what does what. So we went down to the service area and he says, right, where's your toilet cassette? So he opens it up and he takes the toilet cassette out. Now, I wasn't expecting him to empty it for us, but he did. He took it over to the emptying point, showed me how to do it, and he emptied our toilet out. He says, have you got anything in it? I says, yeah, I went to the toilet last night. You don't really want to know what it is. He says, no, I mean, have you got any chemicals in it? Any blue? I says, oh no, we haven't put that in yet. We have got some, but we haven't put any in yet. And he's pouring it out, and he says, yeah, I can tell you haven't got any in. He says, did you have a curry last night? It was getting really embarrassing. I just went purple. It stunk. Maz is on the floor laughing her head off. And the poor guy doing this, oh, hat off to him. What a man, what a man. So he did it, he showed us what to do. And then this is 2 days later when I had to do it myself. I filled a cassette, well, me and Mazzy filled a toilet cassette in just 2 days. As you can see under here, look. Oh, it's done it. That's all as grey water. That's like what you use in your shower and washing up and stuff like that. So that's empty. That we're on full. With zero water in here, so we've got to fill it up. And we've got to empty the toilet. I can't believe you're recording me emptying the toilet.
I like the pink gloves. Do you know what you're doing?
I have no idea.
Is it that orange thing there? Yeah. Is that a lock thing? Good luck.
Jesus, that's heavy. Oh, this is minging.
Are you right? Well done. Oh my god, that's so funny. I think you need a little bit of water in it, darling.
As you can see, it's an easy job. Ugh. Then a cap of blue. This is what stops it smelling. And it works, obviously, as you could tell.
It's supposed to smell like bubble gum, is it not?
Yeah, it smells just like bubblegum. So that's how you clean a toilet. It's a very easy job. Yeah, you're doing it next time.
Just for those who's wondering what's actually down there, it's like a big old...
Job's a good one.
What's next?
You need to fill up with water.
Yeah.
So that was me emptying the toilet. Now, I was gipping all the way through that. I just kept going... And you couldn't see it on there, but I had tears rolling down my face. I was not putting that on for the camera, I can assure you. I was so close to being sick that morning. Maybe because it was first thing in the morning, I don't know, but it's not a job I'm looking forward to doing ever again, but I will be every couple of days. So the next job was to fill up the water tank. It was on complete zero. We'd used every single bit of it, so it needed filling up. It took longer than I expected.
Is it coming through? Oh God, we're going to be here all day.
It's going to take ages. Any other van people out there, if you could tell us this, because we don't know. We're just filling up as drinking water now. It's just about on full. That's taken half an hour. And I think it's because we've got this. I think we should have got a proper hose, but this is what they had at the show. This is what the Sol does. It's doing the job alright, it's just taking ages. But doesn't, and that's drinking water. Waste water. Why do you need a hose pipe for waste water? Because you literally just empty it into the grate. Why do you then need a hose? Someone tell me, please. I need to know. Do you know? No. Do you know anything? I know. It was actually probably about 40 minutes that took, maybe even longer. It was just coming out at a tiny little trickle, and to fill that massive tank up took 40-45 minutes. My next job, I'd lost a disc.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a little disc. Your pitch number on the caravan site, they give you a little disc and you have to put it in your windscreen. It just slipped down the front and I've lost it. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it back.
Uh-oh.
So Mazzy's got to go to the office and explain to them that she's lost the disc, and we're probably going to get charged.
Nice one, always blaming me.
So we couldn't find the disc. Had to go back to the office and tell them what I'd done. I'm sure a lot of people do it because it's such a small little slit at the front of your... let me just show you. It's just a small little slit. They tell you to put this disc on your dashboard, but it just falls down the back of there. It went all the way down there. So I'm sure that happens a lot. But whilst I'm here, guys, does anybody know what this button might do? We keep pressing it and we've no idea what that's for. Could do with knowing, really. So there you go, that's just us experimenting for the first time with the different tanks, the toilet, and a few little problems on his first night at the campsite. So just thought I'd throw that in. We'll see you next time. Might even do a review next time. We've got a few things to review, so I might do a review of a clutch claw. If you don't know what one of them is, you're soon going to find out. See you all next time. Goodbye.